What is good, guys? Welcome to the weekly bias. And if you, for the new people out there, like if you don't know what is a weekly bias, it's literally when like we're doing the analysis of like where's price heading for the beginning of the week, like most likely, because we just watch the bias, like the trend, etc. So now you're gonna see that sheet, but we're also gonna check the news for the week, like what's gonna happen. So we can start with that, like like usual, as usual. Okay. So hold on, let's get it. So tomorrow is Monday. We have PMI news coming up. That's not bad. That's not bad. However, we're gonna trade after the news, after the PMI news, which is like 30 minutes after the session opens, which is 10 a.m. Eastern time, which is not bad at all. Okay, it's not bad. We're just gonna be live in the Discord, and I'm gonna send the announcements like when it's gonna come, when I'm gonna start the stream. Anyways, okay, Tuesday. Tuesday is the exact same thing. 30 minutes after the session opens. So we're gonna trade 30 minutes after the session open. Okay. Wednesday is the same exact thing, bro. That's crazy. 10 a.m. Eastern time. 10 a.m. Eastern time. 10 a.m. Eastern time. I know it says 5 p.m., but it's 10 a.m. Eastern time, and that's when we're gonna be live. Okay. So guys, don't worry. Okay, this Thursday, it's it's we're gonna be live at the same exact time where we're gonna be like where most of the time we're gonna be, which is 9:15 Eastern time, and the session opens 9:30 Eastern time, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. But we're gonna do the daily bias in 9:15 on 9:15, and yeah, basic stuff. So Thursday is clean, and Friday is the same exact thing as Thursday. So normal schedule, nothing unusual, and we're gonna be live. Okay. So I mean, shit. Gotta say, this whole week, this not whole upcoming week is not bad at all, guys. It's not bad at all if you think like that, because we don't have no super big news such as FOMC, CPI, Jerome Powell. None of those. We have just these regular news, unemployment claims, and that is actually this is 30 minutes after the New York session opens, which is not bad. I trade, me and the Discord trade on New York Stock Exchange open, which is when we trade the index pairs, the S&P 500 or ES, you know. So that's it. And now we're gonna do the weekly bias. We're gonna do the weekly bias, guys. So basic stuff. We're gonna start from the weekly time frame, and we're bullish on the weekly time frame. However, we are bearish on the daily time frame. We took on Friday, guys. We took a winning trade, and also, hold on, last Friday, which is like 2 days ago. 2 days ago, yeah, something like that. We won W trade, and on Thursday also W trade. Last week was great, and obviously, was it on Monday? I mean, last week we didn't trade that much, but I was it on Monday that we lost after so long time. Like we haven't lost in many, like it cut the winning streak, but Thursday and Friday was a winner. And anyways, guys, that was just like a recap of the last week. Okay, now we're gonna do the exact weekly buy. So weekly was bullish. However, daily bearish, and this is where we took the shorts. Daily is bearish. 4 hours, okay, 4 hour broke structure to the upside. Right here, guys, it broke structure to the upside, and I mean, I think, this the bias could possibly, I mean, it possibly could most definitely switch bias just because of this big liquidity sweep and reaction. So, I mean, the weekly bias is bullish. So, this could probably be a start of a bullish week. We have to see, obviously. We have to see. Is it just going to react from these and continue down? But look how big of a liquidity sweep we had, and immediate reaction. Like, this is for the motherfuckers who think like trading is a scam, but literally liquidity sweeps are so powerful. You can literally just see how it works. It's a pattern. I mean, it's not a pattern. It's a, it's a fucking. Look at this shit. Is this a coincidence, or is it just actual thing? Like, look, liquidity got swept, immediate reaction. I mean, sometimes it could go through it, but we only take notes if it sweeps it and get reaction, rejection, and immediate break of structure on the 4-hour time frame, which is a big time frame, guys. So we could most definitely look for buys tomorrow if this continues to the upside. And right now we have this bullish order block, right here. And that's it, bro. So daily, weekly, guys, you gotta understand how you look at the time frames. The weekly time frame is like an overview, okay? But we're day traders, so we can take trades from daily and 4-hour time frame. Like, look at that. But weekly gives us like an overview. We're bullish on the weekly time frame, and when the daily time frame and all the time frames below go down, it probably wants to fill out some orders right here, and then it can continue the higher time frame bias, which is bullish on the weekly. And now it got like a big liquidity sweep, and it actually reacted from that. But obviously, guys, we have to wait. What I would like to see is like a daily time frame break of structure to make sure that we're actually gonna continue the higher time frame trend. Anyways, guys, we could possibly look for buys tomorrow, most definitely, because 4-hour time frame is a big time frame and it actually broke structure. And also 1 hour is bullish. What do we have inside the 1 hour time frame? We have this big fair value gap, which could most definitely give us buys like this. If you know something about fair value gaps, look, boom, boom, because it just started a new trend to the upside. New trend, boom. And yeah, guys, we most definitely can look for buys tomorrow. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow at 9:50. No, because tomorrow we have news actually. Where is it? Yeah, tomorrow we have news, so we're gonna trade only after 10 a.m. Eastern time. So we'll see you 9:45 Eastern time, that Discord. And yes, most definitely can look for buys. But if we break structure to the downside, like on the 4-hour time frame, which most definitely is possible, but then we're gonna look like, if the trend wants to continue down, then we're gonna look for shorts. But I don't know, I sort of got this kind of feel from this, like we could most definitely switch the whole bias like to the upside. But we'll see, bro. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, we have news, so there's nothing to rush. And the DXY pair, DXY, which is the dollar index, the reason why I only look at DXY, I don't trade DXY, the dollar index, US dollar index. But the reason why I'm looking at it is simply because if you know something about stocks and dollar indexes, stocks and currency, most of the time they are competing against each other. If the stocks go up, the DXY, the dollar index, it goes down. If the dollar index goes down, stocks go up. If the stocks go down, dollar goes up most of the time. And if you look at this, it's going down, right? Like in the recent, and the XPX is going up. Like, guys, it makes sense. It just makes absolute sense to me, and it should be making sense to you, because if you know something about like currencies, it's going down all the time. Fucking inflation, all this BS, it's going down. obviously stocks, even crypto, all these things, commodities, gold, silver, on the long term, they are going up on the long term. And if you look at the long term, guys, on the S&P 500, like super long term, we are making all-time highs. All-time highs. Just last week, we made all-time highs on the S&P 500. It was on, I think it was on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, I remember correctly. And it's going fucking up. And if the dollar index is going down, I mean, it has to go down most of the time if this is going up. And if this is going down, I mean, if this is going up, the index, dollar index, this has to go down. Wait, did I say that correctly? If this is going down, this has to go up. If this is going, guys, what the fuck, bro, brain fog. Anyways, you guys get the point, right? They are competing against each other, okay? They are competing against each other. I literally just swallowed my words out there, bro. Okay, but you get the point, guys. So they're competing against each other. But yes, guys, S&P 500, the ES, guys, literally for the US people who live in the United States who have to trade the futures version, the ES, don't worry, guys, the ES is exact same as the S&P 500. It's just the futures version, and this is the CFD version. It's just the exact same, guys. So yes. Okay, guys, that was the weekly buys. Most definitely looking for buys tomorrow if we see good reaction. If not, then we'll have to see. Because of the sweep, okay, guys? Liquidity sweeps are everything. See you guys. And make sure you check the liquidity sweep video on my YouTube channel and also the strategy which I posted yesterday. Okay, guys, peace out. See you tomorrow.